Hey guys, today we're going to install rain guards on a 2011 Toyota Tacoma. It's the double cab, so this is a 4-piece set. AutoVentShade is the brand and the part number is 94056. These are rain guards, or you might call them vent shades, that go outside of the window. There are some that come up and tuck inside the rubber on the doors, and these aren't like that. They actually don't have those available for this truck in the store, and even looking through the website I didn't find any that I could order. So these go on the outside, so there's a little bit of 3M tape that comes on the rain guards, and that's what seals the top of these covers to the door. So one will go here over the top of this door, and then the other one will go like this over the top of this door, and we'll do both sides. So I'll get the package out and we'll get these situated for which side they go on, and then we'll come back and show you how to do the installation. So the package comes with alcohol prep wipes. I've already set out the rain guards, where they go on the vehicle. The front doors are easy to tell, the back doors are a little bit more difficult. What you want on this is the side that's got the harder corner. These can be on the front, and the side that's got the less round corner goes on the back. So that's the only thing you have to pay attention to for the back door. So I've got these set where each of the doors go, but what you want to do is take an alcohol prep wipe, and the area where you're going to put the wipe, you want to go ahead and wipe all the painted area down. I've already taken a paper towel and some glass cleaner and just cleaned up this area before, but you go over this with the alcohol prep wipe, and that makes it so that the surface is clean for the 3M tape that's on the back of the rain guards themselves. So I'm just going to use one of each of these for each of the doors. Go around and do the other side. So on the back of these, the red part is where the tape is still on the back of the 3M double-sided adhesive that they put on here. I went through with a razor blade and just trimmed up a little bit of this where it seemed like it had gone past, you might be able to see it past the front of the rain guard. So I just used a little bit of a razor and cleaned up the corners. What you want to do now is just get the bottom of one of these pieces started. So I'm going to get that piece started, and then I need to get behind here and get this other piece started. Just get the tape off, and I'm going to peel it to where it's hanging out to where I can grab it now from the front, and then do the same thing on the back. And this part's in the instructions, so you don't have to just take my word for it. So now I've got the adhesive off a little bit on both ends, and then what you want to do is keep it from touching, but you want to just make sure that the fitment is where you want it, above the door. So I'm just kind of checking to see what I want this to look like when it's finished. So I've just kind of evenly spaced it all the way down to the front. And I'm just leaving the contour. I'm not trying to bend this down to make it match a different contour. Now that I've got the ends down, now I can pull the tape out of here and keep sticking the adhesive down as I go along. Now I've got the tape off the whole back, so I can press this on real good. Just make sure I go down all of the edge of it. Just make sure it's all pressed down real good. just going to walk around and do the rest of them. All four done, got both sides done, so I'll post the before and after picture at the end. Please subscribe to the channel. I've got a 3-inch lift coming up on this one by a company called Torch, so stick around for the next video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on the video. I appreciate it.